problem
Well, then
whatsoever.
get in your line and get the fuck away from my car, dude.
That's just not nice.
But you're not nice. You're a prick.
I came over to ask you what was wrong.
And I just told you, I'm waiting to get in the car once and you came down here, but there's only one entrance, right?
I stopped for this young man right here.
You're such a nice asshole.
Thank you, prick.
Yeah.
Prick.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Okay. No, not at all.
Me neither.
Then get all out of here.
Get all out of here, old man. Your father.
Man, I thought this place already, man. It's been fucking monkey and the fucking nephew. Oh, fuck.
Oh, yeah, you kicked the door.
No, I didn't kick your door.
Or, what's say about that?
I didn't kick your door at all.
Oh, yeah.
Father, my door was no, I didn't.
Oh, yeah, well, we'll see.
We'll see, big boy. Whenever you'd like. We'll see, big boy.